Hello guys, in this video we will be learning a new theorem which is related to the common point of two touching circles. So the statement of the theorem is, if two circles are touching circles, then the common point lies on the line joining their centers. So I have taken here two circles, that is circle with center P and circle with center Q, and they are touching each other at point A, and line L is a tangent to both the circles at point A. So we have to prove that points P, A, Q are collinear. That is nothing but we have to prove that point A lies on the line joining P and Q. So in given data we have written that circles with center P and Q are touching at point A, which is the common point of the two circles. So we have to prove that point A lies on line PQ. To prove this, first we will assume that point A does not lie on the line joining P and Q. So in proof I have drawn here a diagram. So I have taken point A touching both the circles, but point A does not lie on line PQ. So we have drawn half circles, because if we complete this constructions we'll be getting 2 points, that is A and B, on both the circles. So we have drawn here half circles, but theoretically we will be proving that point B also lies on both the circles. So first we'll consider that point A is not lying on line PQ, and then we will drop a perpendicular, that is PR, on line L, and we will take a point B on line L such that RA becomes equal to RB, and we have done the same thing for circle with point Q. Now we will write it down. First we will assume point A is not on line PQ. Draw a perpendicular to line L from point P, that is PR, perpendicular line L. Take a point B on line L such that RA is equal to RB. Now we will move towards the theoretical part. So we have to prove that triangle PRA is congruent to triangle PRB. So I will consider these two triangles, triangle PRA and triangle PRB. So in this triangle you can see that RA is equal to RB. So this is by construction. Angle PRA is equal to angle PRB. So these both angles are 90 degree. So this is also by construction part. And PR is equal to PR. This is the common side for both the triangles. So by hypotenuse side test, we have proved that triangle PRA is congruent triangle PRB. Now you can see that since these two triangles are congruent, we can write their corresponding sides as equal. So we will get segment PA is equal to segment PB, that is PA is equal to PB. Now you can see that PA is the radius of the circle with center P, and since PA is equal to PB, you will get PB also as the radius. Therefore PB is also radius of circle with center P. Hence we get this point B is also on the circle with center P. Hence we are getting 2 points, that is A and B, lying on the circle with center P. Hence we cannot tell that line L is tangent to the circle with center P. Hence our assumption is wrong. Therefore A and B are 2 points on line L as well as circle with center P. Therefore our assumption is wrong. This you can prove also using the triangles QRA and QRB. Also you can prove this theorem with the two circles which are touching internally, that is you take this circle internally with circle P. Hence we have proved that if two circles are touching circles, then the common point lies on the line joining their centers, that is points P, A, Q are collinear, or the line joining the points P and Q consist of point A as well.